In this video, I'm going to show you how you can restrict who can join your private server experience in Roblox. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, to do this, head over to More here once you're logged into your Roblox account, and then scroll down to Settings. Now under Settings, choose this option called Privacy and Content Restrictions, and under it choose Visibility and Private Servers. We have two options here, visibility, and then we have private servers. Now since we're talking about private servers, go ahead and tap on it, and currently you can see my visibility on my private servers experience is set to connections. Here you're told choose who can add you as a member to your private server, and also a private server is a Roblox experience with limits on who can join. So if you wish to restrict, you can go ahead and tap on none, or if you only want connections or connections and people I follow, you can also choose that. So choose your preference and it will be saved automatically. So that's how you can restrict who can join your private servers on Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.